up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hello, I love you already. Make sure you slap that subscribe button to become part of the hashtag Squishy Squad. Okay, so today there's a couple of announcements. First of all, I'm really sorry that I haven't been posting in a really long time. I have some videos coming at you that I'm going to post. There is currently a video posting for me and my best friend Haley's channel. I will leave our links down below. Our channel name is H&L Plays Games. She is also coming over today, so that means more content. Anyways, let's get into the video. Of my 2018 Squishy collection, we have got this strawberry cake. I got this off of Amazon, I'm pretty sure, and it smells just like candy strawberries. I also started collecting about a year ago. Next, I have this vanilla ice cream cone. It smells just like cinnamon and vanilla. It smells so good. Next, I have this little T-Rex. It's so squishy. Next, I have this little cactus squishy. Also incredibly squishy. I really like the texture of that one. Next, I have this unicorn. It's really nice, but there is a big hole on the top of her head. I don't even know how that happened, but yeah. Next, I have this ice cream sandwich. So squishy. Next, I have this little penguin. It is kind of cracking on the back a little bit, but that's okay. Next, I have this little cupcake. Super squishy. Next, I have these stack of macarons, which I horribly decoed, but they're still really squishy. I just decoed them really badly, so yeah, that's when I figured out that I'm never gonna be into decoing. It's really shiny though because I used pearlescent paint. Next, I have this little ice cream sandwich. It's not that squishy, and the frosting is kind of cracking, if you can see that. And next, I have this little panda bun. It's really hard to show you because it's honestly so small, but here it is. Next, I have this cream puff squishy. It's really dense, but extremely squishy. I got this one from Myers. Next, I have this strawberry squishy. It's really soft. Next, I have this donut squishy, which I ripped the drizzle off because I didn't like it. It's not that squishy. Next, I have this donut squishy, which my dog got to and chewed. So that's why it looks like this. Again, not that squishy. Oh. These two squishies I actually got in a bundle at Meijer's. So, yeah. My cupcake fell on the ground, but we shall leave it. Okay, next I have this animal bun squishy, which I got from Justice. It's really small, soft, and squishy. I really like this one. It's kind of hard to squish because it's so small, but I really like it. Next, I have this Millie squishy. She got really banged up by UPS. As you can see, her face is like all cracking. But she's really squishy and soft. And of course, to go along with Millie, I need Billy. I actually got Billy before. For some reason, like I got Billy like before I got Millie. But for some reason, like he is a lot denser than she is, and the only difference between the two is that Billy is blue and his tail is actually cracking. But I like him. Here is the narwhal couple, brother and sister, whatever you want to call them. Next, I have this panda squishy. I don't really like this one. It's pretty hard, but it's here. Next, I have this donut squishy that I got from Target. I actually ripped the drizzle off of it because it was just rubber, but it's not that squishy. Next, I have two stress toys, not really squishies, but I have this cat mermaid filled with Orbeez. Filled with Orbeez. I got it from Meijer's. I don't really know how to show stress toys, but yeah. I don't really like to squish this one that much just because the Orbeez might crush up, but yeah. Next, I have this little pig squishy, or stress toy, whatever you want to call it. I've had this for a really long time, and I'm pretty sure it's just filled with air. It's pretty dirty because, again, I told you guys I've had it for a really long time, but it makes a really nice ASMR sound. Listen to this. So if you squish it, but yeah. Next are my newer squishies. I have this avocado squishy. Then I have, no I didn't. This isn't actually a newer squishy, but I forgot to show it to you. This is my unicorn marshmallow squishy. Next, I have this bread bun. It's really big. It's like the size of my, bigger than the size of my hand, and just a tiny bit smaller than the size of my face. It's really big and squishy. Next, I have this rainbow pearlescent or rainbow pastel alpaca squishy. It's really cute. This is actually my stress squishy, so it has cracks right there. If you look really close, you can see it. And then it also has cracks on its little feet. And its face is kind of coming off. But it's really squishy, so I like it a lot. And lastly, I have this Aridi mango. I don't actually see that many people with this squishy, which is really surprising because it's so squishy. It's like my most slow rising squishy. And yeah, it literally, I timed it once. It takes like 1 minute and 4 seconds to rise. It takes so long to rise, so I'm not even going to try to make it rise right now because that would literally take forever. So yeah. All that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you guys want to see any of my social media, they will all be in the description below. And make sure to check out me and my friend Haley's channel at HNL Plays Games. It will also be in the description. And yeah, so I will see you all next time. Bye!